Hey, 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 welcome to Random Thoughts. Bright lights, I'm a gremlin. Um, so yeah, I hear you people on Facebook. I read the comments. I know you hate, it's not that you hate the AI, but you don't really see me anymore. I just don't have time, really. I don't have time, and I'm spreading myself thin. And then when I do make time, and I get like 2 views, do you think I'm gonna really try to keep making time? Come on now. Time is valuable. But so this is pretty much a tutorial, and it's for people who are artists or you're into directing, whether it be a YouTube uh for YouTube content or film or what have you. I've created this really great tool for you to use. I'm going to use myself, so we'll be using it here together today. You're going to go to raydog.com. This is where you're going to find it. So let's just queue it up where I could find this. I saw it somewhere. Let's see. Is this it? No, that's not it. I got so many windows. Give me a second. Oh, here we go. So you're gonna go to raydog.com, and yes, I'm blocking it, but it's fine. You can go to raydog.com, and you're going to see. Wait, my face is probably blocking it a little bit, but on the right it says multi-scene director. That's what we're going to be going to here. So you click on that. It's going to take you to it. And you can see it came up. Let's see. Remix to edit. No, I'm not remixing anything. So it gives you an instruction right here. Multi-scene director. Generate detailed scene and shot breakdowns from your script or lyrics. This is a Raydog app. So before, let's see, I gotta find some lyrics of mine. I'm not doing Why Must I Cry because it's already been done. Let's see here. Let's look for what can I find. Give me a second here. I'm going to go on the internet here and just find some Ray Dog lyrics real quick here. Hold on. Let's see. Ray Dog lyrics. Ray Dog lyrics. Okay, let's go into lyricfreaks.com. And of course, all of them are featuring Why Must I Cry, of course. What else would they be featuring? Let's see here. Click on my name. Let's see. One Man Wrecking Crew, no. American Girl, no. These are all old songs. I have to sometime make time to add some of my new lyrics here. I don't want to do songs that I already had music videos for. I don't want to do anything with the old me who used to curse, so I'm not gonna do anything like that. Let's see here. Someone help me. What should I use here? Everything is old here and it all cursing. I don't want anything that's cursing. Let's see. Lone Warrior, we did that one already. I really don't know what to use here. Everything that was horrible. I'm glad that tongue is dead. All right, I don't like anything here. These are all not gonna work. Let's see it. Let's go somewhere else. Blood lyrics. Nope, that's a bunch of bad things here. I might just end up using a song I already have lyrics to. This is just for a tutorial, so you could get the drift of it. You really don't have to. Let's see what this pulls up here. Depressed lyrics, no, thank you. Curse of the young Torres, no. Trick itch, no. Lone warrior. Goodness gracious. Oh man. It seems like Google just shows the worst of me. Why can't you show me some of my nicer songs with no cursing? Okay, I'm just gonna pick anything. I'm getting sick of that. Let's see here. You know what? Let me find. I just did a song. You'll see that music video tomorrow. But I'm gonna use that one because I like it. And it's just there's a single out for it. It's called Code E. If you are on Instagram, you've probably seen this already. I put it there. I think on LinkedIn. But yeah, let's go with that. We're gonna go with Code E. So let's go back to my workflow here. So again, we're at raydog.com. You click on the multi-scene director. It's gonna bring you to my app here. So we're gonna click on Start. And as you can see here, it says, enter your lyrics or script. So let me paste this in here. I wonder if I should get rid of the title of the song and just the lyrics. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it to the lyrics. Okay, so you click on next. Again, anyone can do this for free. I'm giving back to you. Now it says here, upload an audio file for timing. So I am going to upload. I gotta figure out where I put it. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna upload the song, and you could either upload from your device, you can add a YouTube video, or your Google Drive, or even add a webcam video. So let's go to my device, and I'm going to, let's see, I think I put in the music here. No, it's not the music. Maybe it's in my music. What's the difference between my music and music? I never get this at all. Let's see. I got so much stuff. So much stuff. You have no idea. My head should explode. Boom. Okay, my music. Here we go. My music. And code E. Should I just do the vocal? Actually, you know what? Should I just do the vocals? Because, yeah, let's just do the code E vocals. Let's see how this turns out. Since I already did a music video and that's coming out. So it put it in there. Then you click on next. I think it's uploading it. Yep, it is uploading. Now it wants me to put upload character reference image. So where did I put all the codey stuff? This we're going to figure out where I put all the codey stuff. Let's just, I think I marked it. It should be here. It should be here. Come on, where is that? Okay, where are you? Scooby Dooby Doo, where are you? You got some work to do now. No, 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 no. No, no, no. I don't know where I put it. There's so many windows. Oh, here we go. Cody. Okay, so I'm just gonna pick. It says a reference image. So I'm going to pick. If you can see, that is code E there. So let's pick that as a reference and click on. Does it let me do one on one picture? Just leave it at one. Well, it actually just says upload character reference images. So that's because the song is actually two. Let's see if it'll let me do two. And him. There you go. That's me. Let's see. Oh, it actually does. Okay, let's click next. It says add notes for character style. I'm gonna put urban. Urban. Here we go. Now it says upload your brand logo. I'm gonna have to search for it. All right, let's see here. That's pretty cool. Let's see. I don't know if I put my logo in here or not, but might as well brand it, right? Let's see here. I don't think it's in there. Let's see. I don't think it's in here. Let's just search for Ray Dog. Ray Dog thinks he's the man. Ray Dog. Okay, let's see what we got here. Come on, where's my logo? Here we go. Oh, that's one's too big. Give me a smaller one. Yeah, this one will work. Here's my logo. Click on next. Enter the text for the end slate. What should I put? I don't know what to put here. To be continued. To be continued. I don't know. Let's see how this works out. Click on next. And it says generate shots. So it's generating the shots. Let's see how this comes out. Now this may fail or not. I don't know. This is my first time using it. But this is going to be free for y'all. You could do a definitely. Oops, something went wrong. What went wrong? All right, view details. HTTP, blah, blah, blah. Too large. I don't know what this means. Okay, let's, something went wrong. Yeah, I know something went wrong. Okay, so we start over again. I don't know. Maybe I should have made to upload this as an MP3 instead. I don't know. Could that have been the issue? I don't know. It says upload an audio for timing. What if I'm curious, if I don't upload any audio, what's gonna happen? I'm gonna try uploading no audio. Okay, let's go back to Cody. I just want to see if the audio was an issue with the pictures. So let's go back to code E, if I could find it. Okay, come on, where are you? Oh, here we go, Cody. All right, let's go back. How big are these pictures? They're not that big, so I don't think it was the pictures. Let's see, maybe that wave file was too big. Let's try this again. Add notes, style, urban. Click on next. I'm not gonna put a logo. Let's go without the logo. I'm not gonna put anything there. Let's see if this one works. Okay, it's generating the shots. Is this a fail or is this a flop? We'll find out soon enough. What do you think? You think it's gonna fail? 50-50 shot? I think it's a 50-50 shot. So if it doesn't fail this time, I think your better off putting the MP3 if it doesn't fail. But again, this is my first time using it, so I've not tested it. So this is actually live, flying by the seat of my pants, trying it. I don't know what was going to happen, or at least now we know that so far, if we use a WAV file, it's going to fail. Because right now I think it's been spinning and thinking for a while, and so I think it's going to work this time. The thing is, I didn't put any music, so there won't be any time into it. So I'll leave it up to you. Here we go. It says consistency locker. So it went on to the second step. Now it's looping the shots. Let's see. So yeah, it was definitely, the music was too big. So you gotta use a MP3 is my suggestion. And when you play around with this, if you find out things, you could leave a link in the comment, even if you want to share what you did. You know, let me see what you created. I think that'd be pretty cool. So right now it's doing the loop per shot, and now it's doing the prompt builder. And if this goes well, okay, what happened? Video generation expects either a single. Oh, so that was my fault. I didn't put any description at all. So that was my fault. That was my fault. This was a user error. So let's go back to that. User error, people. User error. Give me a break. Give me a break. I sure deserve it. Gonna make it to the top. Where did I get that from? If anyone guessed that, I don't know. I'll give you something. Something from my store. I don't know why. But you can look it up and cheat, which is the problem with doing things like this. You don't know. Okay, so we're going to skip the audio. We're going to put the photo. We're going to put this. Character urban. Brand, I'm going to skip. I think this is where I went wrong. Enter text to end. I don't know if this was it. Comedic end. Comedic. Okay, let's see if that works. Okay, let's see if that works. Is this going to be trial and error? Because I've never used this before. So if this one fails, we'll keep trying until I get tired of trying. But I'd like to at least have you see something. Let's see. Who is Rika? Shout out to Rika Jean 17 for liking a reel of mine. Which reel did they like? They like my Ray Dog Living. Cool. Cool. Let's see. People have been liking, so I posted this guy. I don't know if I can show it in the camera here on Instagram. Let's see. And this is by far the most likes and views on anything. And I bet you, all you guys just, I don't like AI. Do you know that this is AI? This is actually AI. But yeah. So let's see. Now it's going to a loop per shot. So let's see if I was able to get over that barrier there. And if not, you guys can let me know, because many of you are very smart. You'll probably figure it out. Okay, wait, prompt builder. Okay, let's see if it builds it. Okay, yeah, it says I expect either enter a single text description or text plus. So It sounds like, let me see something. It sounds like, it looks like I'm supposed to enter. Let me see. From what I'm gathering, I think when I enter, let's see here. When I enter the when I add the photo, when I add the images, I think I'm still supposed to put something here. I think. What is this? Upload. What is this? Hold on. No, I don't want to do audio. Skip the audio. Okay, let's try this for reference. I don't know, dude. I don't know what I'm doing here. No, I'm trying to type so you. It's not nothing I can type there. So add notes for character style. I'm gonna put the characters are battling. Oops, I think I spelled characters wrong. Let's see. Come on. You know what? Fine. You could play all the games you want. The characters are battling inside a deep rabbit. Whoop. Rabbit. Oh, it's two B's in rabbit, isn't it? I think. Is it? Rabbit hole. I don't know. I really don't know how to use this. Okay, I'm not gonna brand it. Let's see. The rabbit escapes. Okay, let's see if this works. If this don't work, then I'm done. I'm gonna watch or read your comments. Someone else might figure out what I've been doing wrong, and you could show me your handiwork. But this is the fourth shot, and I'm done if this one doesn't work. But if you want me to create more tools like this that you can use, you could let me know that too, because I think it'll be a fun thing. I have plenty more ideas, pretty good ones that I think you'll enjoy. I'll put them on raydog.com there, depending on how many people are using this. But let's see. Consistent, okay. Let's see if it gets past. If it doesn't get past it, I'm done. I'm done. D-O-N done. D-U-N done. Done, done, done. Because I need to, why must I cry? Meaning jump in the shower. Uh, it's a sticky one. It's hot. It is hot. I almost want to turn the AC on. I think I still might. Because my dogs don't like when it's hot. And neither do I. Okay, prompt build. This is where it's been failing on the prompt builder. And I don't know what else to do if this. I put more work. Yeah, it says video generation expects either a single text description or text plus a single image. Oh, so I understand. It doesn't want me to do two images. Now I get it. See, it says, I just understood it. Let's do it one more time. Now I understand. Because see, it said video generation expects either a single text description, which I didn't do, or text plus a single image. So I've been doing two images. That's what it was. Ah, see, I caught myself. It took long enough. It took long enough. Okay. Let's do this one more time. So, oops, I need to get the lyrics here. So, It's either or. I can either put the rabbit or me. Which one should I pick? Should I pick the rabbit or myself? I think I think I'm just gonna pick. Oops, I don't want lyrics. Let's get past the lyrics. Wait a minute, didn't I just? I'm so confused here. Upload your reference image. Didn't I just do that? I'm so confused, dude. Didn't I just not do that? Guys, what do you want, guys? Oh, Maggie, 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 Maggie. She is horrible. All right, Maggie, get down. I'm trying to do something. Move. Maggie, get off of me. Get down. Get down. Move. Quiet. Okay. Add notes. Urban. Urban scene. Okay, so there's that. I'm not gonna do that. Rabbit. What, did I put a rabbit in there? I'm not even sure. Rabbit escapes. All right, here we go. I'm like 99% sure it's gonna work now because I just caught my mistake. It didn't want me to put two pictures. So, yeah, girl. Hi. Hi, buddy. Hi, Chip. Hi. Hi, buddy. Yeah, he's a little slow to get up. He's up getting up in age. He's 8 years old. So, hi, buddy. Hi. See, he's panting because it's hot. I gotta put the AC on. After I'm finished with this, I gotta shower. This is the last one, folks. If it fails, I'm done. Right, buddy? Yeah. 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 Okay, looping per shot. Let's see what happens here. Come on, work. Prompt and build. Okay, this is where it's been failing. Okay, it now is rendering, so I think it's working. It's rendering. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we came up with here. All right, get down, buddy. I'm gonna take you out real soon. Okay. So I think I don't know how much is it. Okay, well, now what went wrong? No video generated. Video generation. Oh, you know what? I keep forgetting that it considers me famous, and so it won't generate my because I put Raydog in there. So that's a heads up to you. You can't put prominent people. It's not supported. So I'm done. It's gonna work, but I'm not gonna. I'm not gonna. You let me know what you're able to generate. I think if you want to put someone prominent, you have to sort of describe them and not actually put them in there. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end on this note. I'm sticky and hot. It's almost 30 minutes later. I'm done, guys. I am done, done, done. So don't forget, guys. You find this by going to raydog.com. I'm gonna you go to raydog.com and you can see it right right below where it says contact. You can't see it because my picture's in the way, but right below contact, you will see where it says multi scene director. And let me know see some of your work, but again, you can't use prominent. I keep forgetting. I don't think of myself as famous, but apparently I am. Oh well. Anyway, have yourself a lovely, lovely weekend because it's hot Chip and Maggie wanna go outside today. Right, buddy? You gonna lie down? All right. Let me go. Singing is not. I shouldn't quit my day job. All right. I'm gonna get out of here because it's hot. If I could find the exit, take me to the exit, folks. Where is? I have so much buttons in here. That's why. This is why this one man thing is not easy. I need someone to be doing this part of it for me. All right. I don't want the old school, but there it is. So I'm gonna do the old school. How do you turn this?